Hello, way hungaw basketball. Sa Tagalog pa niyan, walang butas. Perfect basketball, in other words. Papakita ko sa inyo ito na video clips. But ang galing ni Ant-Man and yung Minnesota, but tinalo yung defending champion na yung Lakers nga nangangapa. Halos na swept ulit back to back. Big difference yung laro niya, brand of basketball, yung sistema niya as a player na of course naging sistema na rin ng Timberwolves. Eto, kung tingnan nyo, doon tayo tutok kay Ant-Man kasi siyang sikat ngayon. Superstar in the making or legit superstar na more or less. Tingnan mo yung emphasis ng penetration. So, old school basketball, high percentage shots, jump shot, 3-point, or logo, lalo na logo versus drive. Any given day, doon ako as a coach sa penetration and drive. Kaya nga, yun yung gusto ni Coach Chat Reyes, DDO, dribble drive offense. Kasi, the nearer to the basket, the higher the percentage. So, una, itong first sequence, pakita ko, yung pag-penetrate niya.
Now look at the pressure up top here by Murray. 33 by Murray. 4.5 to go. For winner to the Western Conference Finals against Dallas. Edwards makes a move, rockets down the lane, kicks it, rain.
Diba? Ang point nyon is, hindi na nai-lay up, pero pag drive niya, ang tawag niyan again, same yan sa DDO. Dribble drive offense para kung walang mag-help, diretso sa ring, layup or dunk. Yun, nakapag-attract ng defensive na tulong, kaya dribble drive offense, kick out. Kasi ano yan, drive layup, drive drop, drive kick out. Yan ang option tatlo yan Ang first option talaga is to score. Pero yun, because of penetration, kitang-kita nakapag-create ng open shot. Pero tingnan nyo, na-miss to and naging offensive rebound ng ano bang tawag nito? Minnesota Warriors, Minnesota Timber Warriors. So tingnan nyo, na-miss to. Ito yung gusto kong i-emphasize talaga, yung itong next na clip. Kita nyo yon? Initially, open na open siya sa 3 points, pero na-reset yung shot clock. Sabi niya, oops, low percentage to. Tapos, why rush? Laki pa naman ng shot clock, laki pa ng oras. So, kunin natin yung timing. In other words, kung tingnan nyo ulit to, balik tayo sa common sense. High percentage basketball versus low percentage basketball. In other words, unahan ko na kayo. Itong video next is, sabi niya, ilolusot ko to kung sa Bisaya. I-drive ko to. So, tingnan nyo ano nangyari Drive. Actually, na-miss yan. Kita nyo, na-miss. Pero anong very positive nun? Open 3 points. Oops, wag muna. Relax. Sa atin ang momentum, sa atin ang pace ng laro. Aperan tayo, kontrolado natin kalaban. Atras konti. Ngayon, oops, ano na, sa Bisaya yan, nakapanukad na. So, set na. Settled na. Eto na ngayon, yung basketball namin, basketball ni Ant-Man. Penetration, kung tingnan nyo, hindi sa perfecto, tao lang. Nag-miss. But anong positive? Dahil drive niya, of course, yung bigs nila, makapag-rebound. So, nakita nyo na rebound ni Reed. So, malaking factor yun. Kung tinira niya yon, tapos long rebound, pass break yung kalaban, so, tingnan nyo, very small detail. Saka kung gusto nyo maging best of the best player, maging wayungaw basketball, so, yan ang clip na bigay ko sa inyo na libre. Tingnan ko kung may open 3 point siya. Ang punto ko nun, Ant-Man can shoot yung mga 3 minutes down after this. Kung maano ko sa video, he can shoot. So it doesn't mean hindi siya makapag shot ng 3 points, pero ang decision making niya, natural basketball niya, high percentage basketball, in other words, sigurista basketball. Okay, try ko yung video, but thank you very much. Please like and share para lalo na tayo mga Noypis, lalong maging bright, kasi baliw na baliw tayo sa basketball. It's already our religion. So tulungan tayo to share the right info, ano yung tamang basketball. Hindi lang typical fanatic na shoot lang ng shoot, kasi hindi tayo mga babae. Pang babae lang yung pag shot, ganyan. Lalo na tayo mga guys, dapat malalim din tayo, kasi mahilig tayo mag NBA analyst or bashing and so on and so forth. So dapat may info tayo, may bala tayo, pang comment palagi, NBA expert, analyst. Thank you. Love you all.